Good morning, this is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally Online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of contra voucher. Contra means, first I am going to explain what is meant by contra. Contra means 2 times entries have to be recorded, like cash account data to bank and bank account data to cash. Here in the contra voucher we are taken into consideration only and cash and bank. There is no other entries we are taken into consideration. Okay, so in contra voucher there are 3 types of situation. For example, you are transferring money from one bank to another bank. See, for example, I created here JP company. In the JP company I am having 2 bank account. One is for ICICI bank and one is for Canara bank. I am transferring money from ICICI to Canara. Means nothing but interbank transfer. That is for one entry. Another one, you are depositing some cash into the bank. That is for second entry. And another one, you are withdrawing some cash from the bank. That is nothing but cash withdrawn from the bank. Now I am going to explain how to pass all the 3 types of consequences in the contra voucher. So first we have to created one company, JP company. First I have to go to the gateway of Tally. There accounting voucher F4 for contra. Contra means 2 times entries have to be recorded. Okay, see, for example, here let it be 2 types entries like contra voucher, double type entries like debit and credit. Debit and credit should be there. First I am going to explain. You are having 2 bank accounts. See, here there is no bank account. I will create SBM under bank account. $25,000. Instrument number is nothing but check number ALC ICICI bank under bank account. Being 25K transfer from ICICI to SBM. ICICI to SBM means 25,000 amount transfer from ICICI to SBM. It is nothing but interbank transfer. This is for one type situation. Another one, you are depositing some cash into the bank. See, for example, I am depositing some cash, 50,000. Instrument number means check number to cash. Being cash deposited to bank. Being cash deposited to bank. Okay, next one, you are withdrawing some cash from the bank. You are withdrawing some cash from the bank means first you have to take cash 90,000 to any name of the bank, SBM. You can give the denomination 1000 into 90, being cash withdrawn from the bank. Being cash withdrawn from the bank. Being cash withdrawn from the bank. Okay, so these are all the 3 types of situation. One is for bank to bank entry, second one cash deposited to bank, and third one cash withdrawn from the bank. Okay, after that whatever the entries we have done, all the entries you can see in the display day book. Here you are finding all the 3 contra voucher. Okay, now if you want to alter, select it. Means I have given 25,000, I will change as 50,000. Okay, so this is nothing but alteration. If you want to delete, select it, Alt D. Okay, Alt C for creation and Alt D for deletion. Okay, so this is the creation of contra voucher in 3 different situations, like bank to bank entry, cash deposited to bank, another one cash withdrawn from bank. So if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.